we are putting ChatGPT to the ultimate test. We'll give it some really advanced math problems and see if it can solve them correctly. Will AI be able to crack these tough challenges, or will it fail? Let's find out. Comment down below your opinion. Our first problem is a tricky functional equation. The challenge is to find all functions that satisfy this condition for all real numbers. Let's ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT says the solution is this. But is it correct? Now, to be honest, it has given a step-by-step solution, which I don't think has any flaw. So I approve the solution to be correct. 1 point to ChatGPT. Next up, we have a tricky limit problem. Let's see if ChatGPT can handle it. ChatGPT, what's the answer? Okay, so this is the answer of ChatGPT. Let me show you the correct solution. It's partially correct. The Taylor series of Ln, 1 plus x, is and the Taylor series of sine, x, is canceling the terms. Now, a really tough integral. Okay, ChatGPT. Go. So this is the answer of ChatGPT. Now why not try something new to check if ChatGPT did correct? Let's use Wolfram Alpha. So the answer of Wolfram Alpha is pi squared over 12, which is the same as ChatGPT. So 2 points to ChatGPT. Let's switch gears to combinatorics. How many ways can we partition a set of 6 elements into exactly 3 subsets? Okay, so ChatGPT says the answer is 90. Okay, so we have used Wolfram Alpha in the website previously. Now why not use Wolfram AI, which is in the website of ChatGPT? Wait 2 responses. Okay, both are basically the same. Whatever, we see that the answer of Wolfram is the same as ChatGPT. So another point to ChatGPT. Last question. What's the sum of all primes up to 100? Let's go ChatGPT. So the answer given by ChatGPT is 1060. Okay, so let's use a Python script to check the answer. I found this script to find the sum of primes from geeks4geeks.org. Let's run it. Okay, so it is coming the same as ChatGPT. 1060. That means ChatGPT gets a point. So, how well did ChatGPT do? It got basically alright, but also made a few mistakes. It got 4.5 out of 5. While AI is powerful, it still struggles with certain advanced math problems. Let me know in the comments what you think. Subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it. And bye.